I'm back again with my back. My back is back. Here we are again with another dress that I am zipping up, and that little loop under my armpit, I hope I tuck it. Oh, look at that. Past me set future me up for success. This is another Hell Bunny dress. This one is another super comfy dress. I'm gonna put this belt around the center. I am crediting everything I'm wearing in the description below as usual, so if you're wondering where I got anything, you will find it in the description. The second belt came from Foxblood. They actually have a store in LA on Melrose. You can actually go in if you want to try stuff on. I went one day with my girlfriend Amanda and we tried a whole bunch of stuff on. We ended up buying a bunch of the same thing, so now we have to be like, are you wearing the romper? Because I'm wearing the romper, because they make a lot of cute stuff. I'll probably wear more of their stuff in my future videos. You know, I'm always changing it up with what I'm wearing. No idea where I got this ring from, but I like it, so I'm wearing it. I don't own a lot of silver jewelry, and now I'm wearing more kind of silver accessories and outfits that have silver, so I'm trying to collect more silver stuff. I mix silver and gold sometimes, but it's not my favorite thing to do. These silver hoops are kind of my go-to when I am more in a silver mood. Either silver or like all black. I need to get more silver earrings because like 98% of my earrings are gold. I do have more silver rings, but I'm sure, as you've seen in my style videos, I start to kind of recycle them a little bit. I do have a good amount of silver necklaces, though. This is one of them. This is actually from Regal Rose. I have a discount code if you guys want to buy some Regal Rose jewelry. The thing I love about this necklace, if you can see my wedding ring right there, this necklace matches my wedding ring almost perfectly. It's incredible. It's got this little heart with a little black. Obviously, the necklace is not black onyx like my ring is. People ask me about my wedding ring. It's vintage. It's an antique. It's from the 1930s, so it's not something you can get. But you can get the necklace from Regal Rose if you want. This hat I actually just got during a visit in Palm Desert. I don't even know if it's branded. If it's branded, I will leave it in the description below. If not, my apologies. It's just a black felt wide brim hat. These shoes, good lord, I have worn them out. These are from Aerosoles. You can just get Aerosoles at Macy's. I love the brand Aerosoles because they are so comfortable. Some of their shoes are kind of like granny shoes, but if you catch them on a good season, especially in the fall, they make really cute shoes. And if you have a job where you're on your feet all day or you're traveling and you're walking a ton, I actually wore these when we went to Paris and we walked like 12 miles and they were comfortable all day. The one thing about these though, the straps fell apart, so I actually had to buy my own straps to put in there. The good thing was I wrote them about it and they gave me a pair of free shoes, which was really nice. But they fell apart after like the second wear. So these are my comfortable shoes. I told you I would be doing a little bit more casual shoes. This is the final look. I hope you like it. I feel very Lydia Dietz in this outfit, which is appropriate because my mom called me Lydia. And when I was younger, I've gotten compared to Winona Ryder my entire life. But if you like these style videos, please let me know if you want to see more. And thank you for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!